Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever used Power BI, you know how interactive those visuals can be. Clicking a bar, a pie slice, or any chart can instantly highlight or filter data in all sorts of ways. While that can be powerful, sometimes you just want your visuals to stand alone, without automatically affecting each other every time you click. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn off all visual interactions at once in Power BI. By the end of this video, you'll have full control over your visuals so your reports work just the way you want. Let's jump right in. To start, click on any visual in your Power BI report. It could be a chart, a card, a table, absolutely any visual on the canvas. When you select it, you'll notice a new option appears at the top of your Power BI window. That's the Format tab. This is where all the appearance and interaction settings live, so it's your go-to spot for customizing how visuals behave. Click the Format tab and then look for the option called Edit Interactions. Go ahead and click that. Now this is where some magic happens. You'll see small icons pop up on all your visuals showing you which other charts that selected visual is influencing. Maybe it's cross-filtering, cross-highlighting, or otherwise interacting. You can actually toggle these one by one if you want custom control. But what if you have dozens of visuals or you know you want them all to stay separate by default? Editing each one would take forever, so let's find a much quicker way. Here, what you do, head up to the File menu in Power BI. Click it and then go down to Options and Settings. Don't worry if you haven't explored this menu before, it's basically the Power BI Control Center for preferences. From the drop-down, select Options. A new window will pop up with lots of different categories on the left. Scroll down until you find Query Reduction. This is a powerful section that lets you tweak how Power BI handles things behind the scenes, especially when it comes to interactivity and performance. In the Query Reduction options, look for a checkbox labeled Disabling Cross-Highlighting Filtering by Default. Go ahead and check that box. What this does is it tells Power BI from now on, don't automatically link visuals with cross-filtering or highlighting. In other words, any new visuals you add won't interact with others unless you specifically set them up to. Click OK to save your changes. Now, important step, you'll want to restart Power BI for these settings to take effect. So close your Power BI window, and if you're prompted, make sure you hit save so you don't lose any of your progress. Then open Power BI again. Once it loads back up, go to your report. You're now ready to see the new default interaction in action. Try this, copy any existing visual, maybe a chart you've already made, and paste it back onto the report page, just like you would with Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V. Now when you click the original visual, you'll see the new one doesn't interact at all by default. No cross-highlighting, no filtering. From here on, any visual you add will work independently unless you choose otherwise. Super handy if you want a clean, non-interactive dashboard or if you want to control all those interactions yourself. And that's it. By just taking a few minutes to tweak your settings, you now have complete control over visual interactions in Power BI. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button and drop a comment below if you have questions, or if there's another Power BI trick you'd like to see covered. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.